Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many O levels, A levels exam, ACT, SAT exams, Olympiad math problems and many national and international level math exams. Today Olympiad math problem is 8 raised to power t plus 2 raised to power t equals 130. Many students cannot solve this but in this video I will show you a quick trick by using that you can attempt questions like this. So first of all we will write 8 raised to power t as 2 cube and its power is t equals 2 raised to power t equals 130. In the next step we will write 2 raised to power t and whole cube plus this will be plus 2 raised to power t equals 130. Now make a supposition here. Let us suppose 2 raised to power t is x. So x cube plus x equals 130. Now we will make a supposition here as we can write x cube plus x minus 130 equals 0. Now we can write 130 as, now we can solve this as, we will write this is x cube and x can be write as minus 25x plus 26x and minus 130 can be write as 26 into 5 equals 0. Now we can take x common from this, so remaining is x square minus 25 and from this we can take 26 as common and remaining is x minus 5 equals 0. Now we can write this as x square minus 25 is x minus 5 into x plus 5 and this x is taken as common plus 26 into x minus 5 equals 0. Now take x minus 5 as common. So remaining will be x into x plus 5 plus 26 equals 0. Now there are two factors, x minus 5 equals 0. So we get x equals 5. And for this one we get x square plus 5x plus 26 equals 0. Apply the quadratic formula, so x equal minus b means minus 5 plus minus 25 minus 4ac 4 into 26, but this will be complex. So because this is negative in the root, so complex. So this will be rejected. We will utilize only this one 2 raised to power t equal x. Since x is 5, so we will write this as 2 raised to power t is x. X is 5. That means 2 raised to power t equals 5. You have to find the value of t. So t will equals ln 2 and ln 5. Then what will be the value? So t will equal ln 5 by ln 2. That means we get this will be by change base rule is applied here. So t is equal 1 by your log. This can be write in the form of log also. So log of 5 by log of 2. Change base rule. Log base 2 and 5. Now we will write the final answer here. that t will equals log basis 2 and 5. Now we will do the verification. So 8 can be write as 2 cube log base 2 and 5. So we get this equals 125. How? 2 log 2 5 power 3 into, and this will be plus 2 log 2 5. So we will apply the base rule. According to that, 5 cube is 125 plus 5, that is 130. So our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.